Hey guys, what's up? I'm here to talk about the product of Samsung. It's a flip camera. It records full HD. It's called the HMX U10 by Samsung. Inside we have the CD and the manual. Also included in the box is the charger and the USB 2.0 cable, which transfers file to the computer and also allows it to charge by USB. You have the RCA cables for audio and video, so you can see it in the LCD or your monitor. We also have this small converter for your tripod mount, so you can connect this to your camcorder and allows you to mount it on a tripod. So let's take a look at the features of this camcorder. It records 1080 by 1280. So 1080p, it records full HD and one touch share. Also at the sides we have the power, so if you switch this on, there's an indicator there and it loads inside and allows you to record. Okay, you can record it by pressing the record button left. We have the play and we have the photo. So you just have 3 buttons. If you press play, you can see the pictures or the videos. You press record, then it will record automatically, like so. You will see the indicator at the top right. Just press record to stop it again, and press play so you can see the video, like so. So here is the capture that we did. 1080p. Just stop the play so you can see it. Those are the pictures and it captures 10 megapixels of photos. Now the touchpad is similar to a touchscreen, but it's almost like semi-touchpad, so you can easily browse through the interface. Now the record has 1080p, also has 720p, 30 frames or 24 frames, and we have 480p. We even have for slow motion. You can capture slow motion. Alright, so you can choose between those, whatever suits you. Now on the right side we have the slot for the SDHC. It's a SD card with 8 GB right now, and it should be class 10, so you can record HD video. So right now we'll talk about the capturing modes of this camera. Okay, now we're capturing 1080p. Now we're capturing 720p. This is 480p. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this small review, and this is the HMX U10 flip camcorder by Samsung. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next time.